In this case, all we need to do is put it in a semi-standard form. And the reason why I call it semi-standard is this. I just want to get x and y on one side and the number on the other. If I'm adding a 12 to it, right, that's a positive 12, right? So what's the opposite of positive 12?
Negative 12.
Okay, say no more. Minus 12, minus 12. So what do I get? Negative 3x, right? Minus 12y is equal to negative 12. Does this look familiar? Is this in standard form? This is not standard form. They just want us to graph it. They didn't say put it in standard form. I'll show you the difference. And you tell me what the difference is. This is standard form. 3x plus 12y equals 12. What did I do?
You changed the multiplier.
I changed what?
The subtraction.
All of the signs, right? I changed all of them to be opposite signs. The reason is this front number has to be positive to be standard form. To make this positive, I have to multiply it by a negative. If I multiply this by a negative, I have to multiply everything by a negative. Negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. That's standard form.
But we don't want to solve it. We want to
Yeah,
graph
I don't need it in standard form. I just need to graph it, right? Okay, so I don't have to do that. But if, and that's what I'm saying, if, not on my test, but on this standardized test, right? On the state test, right? If they ask you to put it in standard form, that first one has to be a positive, and the rest of them have to be numbers, whole numbers, no fractions, no decimals. Does that make sense? That's standard form. So, positive, and then numbers. They're all numbers, regular numbers, okay? Now, some of them are going to be negative, right? Or positive, whatever. Don't care. But they can't be fractions. All right, let's just solve this. How do I solve this? We did this. That was number 1 and 2, remember? What do we do?
cover up.
Cover up.
We'll solve for x and cover up the negative 12.
Okay?
And negative 3 times.
So negative 3 times what is negative 12?
Positive 4.
Not positive 4. Very good. Yeah. Positive 4. So divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. I get x equals 4. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's easy. Right? We did this on the test right before break. Didn't we? A lot of you were really starting to get it. That's why I'm taking you that step further. Just a little step. It's not much. Okay? Then what?
You're going to solve for the 12, or the y?
The y, yeah. To solve for the y, I put a 0 in for the x, yeah? I cover it up, and I got, negative 12y equals negative 12. Well, negative 12 times what is negative 12?
0.
Not 0.
1.
1. Okay? And if I were to divide by negative 12, I would get y equals 1, right? And y equals 1 puts it right here, right? And then I just graph it. Wham! All day, every day. I'll eat this up like cake. This is good. Eat some more. Right? This is cake. Alright? Again, they're throwing this at you with this extra negative 10 in there. What are we going to do with that negative 10? Move it, yeah. Add 10. Right? We just got to get this so it's x and y on one side. Okay? So, plus 10, plus 10. So I get 5x plus 2y equals 10. Is this standard form?
Yeah.
Why?
Because there's a positive in the first
Yes. Because this is positive, and these are all numbers, right? Just regular numbers. No decimals, no fractions. Okay? So it is in standard form. So sometimes it'll, just go in standard form for you. Okay, that's cool. All right, now what? Cover up. 0, boom. 2 times what is 10? 5. Graph it. Y is 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how easy that is? Put a 0 in for Y. Hey, 5 times what is 10?
2.
2? Say no more. 1, 2. Done, son. Move on. Cake. I eat it up. Right? It's good. It's easy.